Does anyone else do this where you save these cups? I know you're not supposed to use them a lot because of the plastic, like the chemicals rub off eventually. I'm using this one to provide me with my Starbucks cold brew. Anyway. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. How's it going? In today's video, I am going to be hauling some stuff for you guys. We went thrifting not too long ago, found a few Halloween things and also some sweaters. You guys know that I love sweaters. I had a message on Instagram, someone was like, why do you celebrate Halloween all the time? And I said, because it makes me happy. Like, what's it to you? If you like Halloween, if you like, I don't know, positivity things, being inspired, maybe you should click subscribe. Before I get started, if you're new to my channel, new to Halloween Happy, please go over to Instagram and give me a follow. It's Halloween Happy. All my other social media links are listed down below, so all you have to do is click them. I'm on Snapchat, Facebook. We have a great Facebook page, so just be sure to check it out if you want to know more about me or what I'm up to. If you like Halloween, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, please. It helps my channel out so much. I'm so excited. Okay, let me tell this quick thing and then I'll continue on. I have this channel that I love watching. Her name is Sam, and I don't know how to pronounce her last name. It's like Azukul or something like that, but she's into law of attraction, she's into positivity, she's like a lifestyle vlogger. But I'm so excited because she just got married to her sweet guy who's like always so supportive of her. They just got married not too long ago, a few months ago, so she's been doing like these wedding videos that have been really fun to watch. But then they just shared with all of the subscribers, all of us, that she's pregnant. So I was watching like her video of talking about her pregnancy and I'm just so happy for them. So let's just go ahead and jump into it. I love thrifting so much. If I can go every single day, I would. Here, since I've moved to Salem, the thrift shops, there's a few around here in Salem that I know of. There's some that I've just discovered that I need to check out that I have not been to yet. You kind of have to drive away to the different thrift stores. Whereas in Wichita, like I had my little route and everything was just like right there. Like I love thrifting so much. I get so many questions about where do you find all of your Halloween stuff? How are you buying Halloween stuff during the off season? And that's because I thrift. I love going to yard sales, which, hello, January is practically over with. February is gonna fly by, and then March, yard sale season. Am I right? Sweaters. I found this sweatshirt and I absolutely love this color. A very nice maroon color. I love it. It matches my favorite lipstick that I always wear, which by the way, it's antique velvet. Sometimes I'll get questions when I wear it deep, and then sometimes I get questions when I wear it faded. Nice sweatshirt. It's by Tech Gear. It's a pretty good sweatshirt. Like it's a sports sweatshirt. I was telling myself like I don't need more sweatshirts. It would be nice if I could find some plain sweatshirts. So I found this nice maroon one. This one happens to be in a size medium. Really nice comfy sweater. I've already worn it a few times and it's just super comfy. I've been wearing leggings while I've been working, and I've told you I can't do that because I get tired. I'm not as productive, but I'm literally just falling asleep now as I'm describing. I thought that was a really nice color, especially for fall and winter. Moving along, found this really nice gray sweater. It's from Gap. These, I wouldn't mind paying $9, almost $10 for them, although I feel like they should be $4. I don't know. I feel like back in the day at Goodwill, they used to be like $4 or $5. This is in a size medium. Not brand new, but it feels new. I really like it. It's kind of slouchy a little bit, and then the sleeves are a little bit longer so you can wear it rolled up and whatnot. Just a really good knit, you know? When I look for sweaters, you guys, I look in the men's department. I don't really look in the women's department because I just feel like the clothes are much smaller. The colors tend not to be my colors that I like to wear. Like it's usually like yellows and pinks and purples, and what am I gonna do with that? So I always look in the men's section first, and then if I'm like not finding anything, I will go to the women's, and I'll usually look at the bigger sizes because I don't like wearing like snug sweaters. Usually like if I get anything from women's, it's just like oversized cardigans. You guys have already seen me rave about this sweater that I found. This nice maroon color. Like, I just love this color so much. I remember in elementary school during fall and winter, I'm sick that I remember this. I had these 3 outfits. I got them at Kmart. University college wear for little kids. Do you know what I mean? Kind of like a, what am I trying to say? Like a university. What's the word I'm trying to think of? I don't know. You guys will know in the comments. But I remember there was this outfit. I had 3 different colors. One was maroon, one was blue, and then one was green. Like the hunter green, you know? Cute sweatshirt, and it said like something university or like a polo thing or whatever. Then it had the cutest plaid skirt with it, and it also included those large safety pins. Like, it was the big ones. Put it right there on your knee to like close the skirt. I had all 3 of those outfits, and they were like my favorite outfits to wear in elementary school. Like, I thought I was the shit. This reminded me of that. The navy's so pretty. I like the cream. I like the tan. This one is definitely oversized, but I just love it so much. It's so comfy. It's just like fall. It's cozy. I just can't get enough of this sweater. I wore it for 2 days in a row. Since I work from home, I tend to repeat wear my clothes a lot. It's stupid for me to wash them when I'm literally just sitting here. This one's in a large. All right, and then another thing besides sweaters that I love looking for is any type of flannel or like a plaid shirt that I can kind of wear as a jacket. It's kind of one of those little, it's like a more rough flannel. Like this I would wear as a jacket for sure. Brown, tan, cream, black. I just love it so much, and I was like, man, this would look so cute with my black jeans, with my Docs, with a beanie. Like, are you kidding me? Last night though, I did notice when I was folding it that it did have a tear in it, and they patched it. And this made me think of my mom, because she used to do this all the time. She was so crafty with like patching and all of that stuff, but I still like it. I'm still gonna wear it. I thought it was really cute. And then the last clothing article, another flannel, like going back to the hunter green and the navy blue. Tell me this color palette is not everything that you dream of every single night. I know it is. It's this flannel, guys. This is from Eddie Bauer. It's a classic fit, size medium. This one I'm gonna have to wear as a jacket for now. Super soft, very cute. Again, this fits perfectly with my wardrobe that I like to wear. Like, just give me some black jeans, some Docs, give me a freaking flannel, and throw a beanie on, and you're good. You're good. This would also be cute with like black shorts and tights underneath. Okay, so I've been looking on Pinterest because you guys know how we've had this talk, and I just have to say, the videos that I've been putting out, the thoughts I've been sharing with you guys can totally relate, and that just warms my heart and it makes me so happy. So if you have not seen my Target haul, I'll try to remember to card it right up here. We kind of talk about, well, we do talk about how you see yourself a certain way, but you can't execute it, or maybe you might not feel confident, maybe you might not have money to invest in clothes, yada, 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 yada. The list goes on, right? I've been looking on Pinterest because, as you guys know, for the month of January, I've been trying to stay focused with eating healthy, not drinking, yada, yada, yada. So I've been looking on Pinterest, finding just kind of things that I like to wear, and maybe I'll make this into a video. That might be a good idea. So I was looking at jeans because I'm excited to find like a new fit of jeans eventually down the road. But I saw this outfit, and it was like a really nice wash of blue jeans with the cutest little like chunky heels and a plaid top, and it looked cute. I was like, wow, I could totally see myself in that because it's kind of like relaxed, but then it's kind of cute because you got the little heel on. Anyway, just had to share that with you. I'm learning as I'm going too, guys. I actually have a shirt somewhat similar to this that I got a few years ago from Old Navy. It's not a sturdy flannel. Do you guys know what I mean when I say that? Like, this has structure to it. Whereas some of them just kind of, they're just gone with the wind and they fly away like crinkled toilet paper. Getting to the Halloween things that I found thrifting, these adorable glass jack-o'-lanterns. I have one already. I found two more, guys. These are so cute. You can literally hang them. You can put them around doorways, entryways, kind of stagger them, put them on haystacks. There's so much you could do with these. I love stuff like this. These were $3 each. So yeah, I feel like it would be like $12.99 maybe at TJ Maxx or something. So I definitely had to get those. You can put tea lights in them. Can do battery operated, and if you wanted to, a little something different, you could put little twigs in them, like black twigs, and kind of turn it into a flower vase. Like that would be cute, something for Springoween. It's crazy that Springoween is coming up. Like what the hell? All right guys, and then moving along, someone's been buying the Halloween books. I know you're out there and you're buying the books that I want. Found this Scholastic book. This is by Richie Tankersley. This is Trick or Treat, Dress to Kill. I'm hoping to do maybe like a book. I don't know if I should do a book tour of my Halloween books. I don't know. Will that be boring? Let me know. Maybe that could be something. I don't know. I feel like once I show you them in hauls, you're good, but maybe we forget and we want to see the Halloween books. Let me know. Martha knew there was something evil about the house she was moving into. It was so cold and creepy, and it wasn't just the house that was giving her a weird feeling. Martha was sure someone was following her, watching her every move. Then the practical jokes began. The scarecrow with a carving knife in its head, the fire, and the phone calls. Trick or treat, Martha. You're dead. It was October, but these were no Halloween tricks. Someone would be coming home this year with more than just a bag of treats, and Martha was the prize. Trick or treat. You're gonna love these. I feel like I'm yelling at you. I found a bag of these huge jack-o'-lantern jingle bells for $3. You get 4 of them, and these are the biggest ones that I have now. Pumpkin glass dish that my mom gave me, and I've been putting all of these jack-o'-lantern bells in that. I just thought that was very fitting. I've been doing that. I'm gonna have to find something else to do with them because there's no room in there anymore. These are just too cute. I just felt like this was another little sign of my mom saying, hey ghoul, hey. And I even thought about maybe adding these to my Halloween tree. That's cute. It's real cute, guys. 2 more things to show you, and then we'll be done. I'm obsessed with mugs. Everyone's like, where do you get your mugs from? You have the cutest mugs. We want to see a mug collection video. I did one maybe 2 years ago. I definitely need to do a new one. I plan on doing a new one soon. Hopefully, if I remember, but I found 2 more to add to my collection. These ones, I was like, what? And we went to the Salvation Army, and usually I don't find much there, but they have like a section that is all Christmas. Like it's, you guys know I love Halloween barf, Halloween vomit. It's like Christmas vomit, Christmas barf. It's amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Like it's just thrown everywhere. The blow molds, they have tinsel everywhere, and I actually love going in that corner and standing in there. So don't you judge me. But I'm like, can we get a Halloween corner like that? I found 2 Halloween mugs to add to my collection. Look at this, guys. And these were literally, I don't even remember how much these were. I think they were like $1 or 50. I think they were 50 cents. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, what? 50 cents. First one is just a black and orange striped Halloween mug, and then you have candy corn, you have some Halloween candy like suckers, caramel apples, then you have little bats, little cats, little witch hats. It's just the cutest thing ever. If I was a mug, this would be it. Look at this one, guys. It says Happy Halloween with these adorable jack-o'-lantern friends. And the Halloween's written like in creepy writing. And it's like that lime slime Halloween green. You have cute little bats fluttering around. The jack-o'-lanterns are just hanging out on the fence. I just love this one so much. I can't even tell you. I'm telling you, I love it a lot. Damn. You cute. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for this mini thrift haul. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite item was. If you want more Halloween happy, don't forget to check me out on Instagram and my Facebook page. Like I mentioned before, all my links are listed down below. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and make sure that you are notified. Thank you so much to everyone who answered my question about the bell. If you do not have it, try unsubscribing from my channel and then click subscribe again, and it should be there. I mean, you know how YouTube is. Everyone has issues with it. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. I love you guys. Hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!